Hi, GREATfuls! Pinost ko tong picture na to kagabi. Ano nga bang dapat natin gamitin? She grew up in or on a farm. So, ang dami ng comments and may mga manangilang-ngilang nalito. And in this specific sentence, it is just better to use the preposition on a farm. Because on is just natural in American English language to be used when referring to where somebody spent his or her childhood.
Father grew up on a farm in...
I grew up on a farm.
So I did not grow up on a farm.
And hindi naman totally mali itong preposition na in a farm. Pero kasi kapag in ang ginamit, it's more on parang in a house on a farm. Parang gano'n. In a barn on a farm. So, meron isang specific place sa farm na dun nung kinalakihan mo. At alam naman natin na yung babae sa picture is pinapakita niya na hindi siya mayaman. So, mas perfect dito yung on a farm because when we use on a farm is mas pinapaintindi nito yung totality ng paglaki sa farm. Like yung mga naaamoy doon, yung mga gawain doon, yung mga karanasan ng isang tao na lumaki sa kabukiran. So, in this one, we will use on a farm. Kung may natutuhan ka, huwag mo kalimutan mag-like and follow para updated ka kung meron akong susunod na upload. See you!